All right, guys, today we are saltwater fishing for some strippers. Yo!
Strippers are fluke, baby. We out here. It's Austin.
I used to.
This dude just ruins everything. He does, though. We're out here today. We're gonna fish for some stripers, maybe some fluke. I brought both set up. He's doing his thing. Little finger down. We're gonna hop on the jetty for real.
Fishing the jetty today.
Yes, sirski. Run, bro, run. He's a runner, he's a trout. Oh yeah, they're blitzing close, go.
Where?
Over there, you see they got closer. Run. Run. Parkour. Parkour.
They're getting them today.
Yeah, I'm going right here. Go down.
Oh, yeah.
You can hit?
Yeah. Yep, I got one.
Oh yeah, we're on. Oh, I just lost it.
Oh, yeah. It's just small. Come on.
Yeah, we're on. I'm on. Yeah.
Let's go.
Baby.
Oh. Yeah, caught it. Let's go.
The double up is insane. Where's my pliers?
All right, we got him. He got the hook stuck in my shoe.
Schoolie, baby. Nice little schoolie.
We got one here and one there. Let's go.
Let him go.
Oh. Come on, stripers, where you at? Oh yeah. Hey, Austin got one. I got one too. Oh, Austin.
He's good. He landed in water. He's in. I'm on. Fuck, he's off. He's off. Fuck.
Come on, let's go. Good.
He's off. He's off. Oh. Why is my drag? Why is my drag?
You want me to get the net?
There you go. My drag was just fucking loose.
Is that a good one?
I don't know. Honestly, he's not that bad.
No?
Yeah, get the net.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Get unhooked.
Hurry up.
Oh my god.
Dude, Rylan's got the hook stuck.
Fucking selling. Okay, Jake, you're good.
All right, watch out, watch out.
You're good, go. Oh. Oh. I think he's a schoolie still, but he's
a good size though.
He's not bad. You good down there?
I'm good.
Keep going,
Keep going, keep going. Can you get him up?
Hold on, I'm coming to you.
All right, lift up, lift up, lift up.
Go, get up. Go.
Oh, that's a good size, Aiden. That's a good size.
Still a schoolie though.
Let's go. Good shit.
He's not big enough. Nice.
Let's go.
Let's go, gang.
That's a good size right
This
there.
is a good size.
That's a good one.
It's pretty in there. I know I got it.
He got it, he got it.
Yes.
Back up.
He's got like AIDS on him.
Good shit.
Let's go, boy. Another schoolie. Oh, buddy. I'm recording, right? Yeah. Let's go, baby. I'm not gonna lie. He got me gassed. I'm gassed. That fish got me gassed.
Damn, you had me crawling for that one.
See if they're out there. You see them out there? Look, straight ahead.
Yeah.
They're blitzing over there. Austin's on again. Oh, he sold.
Come on, Austin.
What? Huh? Yeah. Oh, he's on. He hooked up. Oh, is he off? He's off. That's your drag, gang. Your drag was... Oh, I'm gonna hit. Fuck. Oh yeah, we're on. This one's maybe. Yeah. Yeah, you're not bad. Oh, come on. Oh, he spit it. Chill, chill. Chill, but double up. The double up.
Well, me and Rylan doubled up.
That's crazy. Hey, boy, another one. Popping off.
I'm a sucker for a big strip of
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he's some distance away.
Get that boy in. Get that boy in.
Come on now.
Come on, bitch.
No, don't fight. Oh, bro, I need some assistance, I think. Rylan, grab the line. Yeah, that's fine. Got another one.
Nice.
Oh,
You got two? Yeah, I have two.
that's the fourth one, right? Yeah.
I sold my fourth.
I would have had 5, but I sold that one.
And of course, just as things were popping off, the GoPros died. Like, the stripers were going crazy. Like, we talking multiple schools started rolling in. And we were pulling in some good fish, too. Like, Jake had a few good ones. I hooked onto a 25. And then after that, I hooked onto a 33 that my buddy recorded us measuring.
The tail.
No!
Yeah, too big.
Too big! Well, you know, it is what it is. Just got to be more prepared next time, I guess. Well, besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see y'all the next time I upload. Peace.